Barkbusters presents
Honda XL750 Transalp Specific Kit Installation Guide. Here are all the tools required for this installation. It's a good idea to lay everything out to ensure all the parts are being used correctly in this asymmetric installation. Depending on the side, different parts will be used. Starting on the left, remove the original bar end and make sure to retain the internal handlebar weight. Assemble the left backbone, the 60mm M6 bolt, the bar end weight and the 15mm spacer. Loosely attach the handguard backbone to the handlebar. Adjust position of clutch/mirror perch closer to the electronic housing by about 5 to 10mm to create clearance for the clutch switch. Loosely assemble clamp and saddle to the handlebar next to the mirror/clutch mount. Connect the handguard backbone to the clamp using the 20mm M8 bolt. Repeat the process for the other side. Remember to use a 17mm spacer and washer on this side. Loosen brake perch to fit saddle behind the brake master cylinder. Tighten once in place. Once everything is in place, make sure to tighten all the screws to the specified torque on the instructions following this sequence. Check that the throttle doesn't bind and snaps back to its original position. Check clearances at full lock. Pay special attention to the tank, fairings, windscreen and dash. You can then add the guard of your choice to the backbone. Thank you for watching and happy riding.